Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Chemistry. Today we are going to make a pH indicator using red cabbage. So for this, we will need a small piece of red cabbage and should be cut into small pieces like this. Then we should take a small blender and put the pieces inside it, like I am doing here. After putting the pieces inside the blender, we have to add some water like I am doing here. After adding the water, we have to blend it for 45 seconds. Okay, so after blending it, we should transfer the juice into another container. Then, we should stain it using a stainer. Okay, so after staining it, our pH indicator is now ready. Now it's time for testing. Okay, so over here, we have three solutions. The one in the left side is soap water, the one in the middle is normal water, and the one in the right side is lemon juice. So let's see what happens when we pour the juice in soap water. Its color changes to greenish blue color because soap water is alkaline and has pH above 7. Now let's see what happens when we pour the juice in normal water. Its color does not change because normal water is neutral and has a pH of 7. Now let's check out with the lemon juice. Its color changes to reddish pink because lemon juice contains citric acid and has a pH below 7. Let's see from a different angle. You can also make pH strips at home by following the following steps. First, you have to concentrate the red cabbage juice by boiling it. Then you have to make some paper strips and dip them in the juice for 10 minutes. After that, you can take the strips out and dry them on an aluminum sheet like this. Here are some pH strips which I have made in the same way. Let's test them. So here are the same three solutions. The one in the left is soap water, the one in the middle is normal water, and the one in the right is lemon juice. So let's see what happens when we dip the strip in normal water. The color of the strip does not change because normal water is neutral. Now let's see what happens when we dip the strip in soap water. The color of the strip changes to greenish blue color because soap water is alkaline. Now let's check out with the lemon juice. The color of the strip changes to reddish link because lemon juice is acidic. Okay, so as I have said that there will be a surprise at the end. The surprise is that the first 200 subscribers to subscribe to my channel will get their names displayed on the screen on the next video, which I will make separately when my channel hits 200 subscribers. The names of the first 200 subscribers will also be spoken out and will be thanked. Hurry up. Only a little bit of time is left. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.